Easy, fast and incredibly delicious, simple chicken breast recipe. For this recipe I'm going to be cutting it into slices this size, from 3 chicken breasts. I'm going to add it in a container, and put 60 ml of soy sauce. Put a spoon of olive oil. A teaspoon of black pepper. And also a teaspoon of salt. And now I'm going to mix it very well, which is for this chicken to get all that seasoning, and then I'm going to leave the side to marinate. I will now be cutting 2 medium potatoes. And guys, you are already commenting to me from which city you are watching us and how is the weather there in your city. Is it hot? Is it cold? Comment there and I'll send a super special hug to all of you who comment. Now I'm going to add it here in a container. And add 2 tablespoons of melted butter on top. And to season add a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of black pepper. A spoonful of sweet paprika. And also a spoon of oregano. And we are going to mix very well for this potato to get all that seasoning. And guys, this recipe is wonderful, I'm sure you all will love it, and I'm going to take it in the oven at 200 degrees for 45 minutes. Now I'm going to be cutting here 2 cloves of garlic, cutting them very finely. Putting butter in a frying pan. And add our garlic. Now just give it a whirl. And put the chicken breast. And guys, this recipe looks amazing. I'm sure all of you who make it won't regret it because this chicken breast is delicious. After I have mixed a little bit, I will add chives. Mix again. And now I'll be making the dish here, putting the chicken, and also our potato. And was this recipe a personal delight? I'm sure whoever makes it will love it. That was super delicious, super combined, the potato with chicken. So, if you liked this recipe, share it and see you next time. Goodbye.